We are here to announce the winners of the 2022 Disney Challenge, and the individual category, the winner goes to
Kirk O with 508 golden tickets. Kirk actually won the individual division of the Sasser Challenge too, which was a month ago, so actually almost 2 months ago now.
Yeah. Share the wealth, Kirk. All right, so we also did a random drawing, and that one goes to
Jennifer S. with 218 golden tickets, and she also gets a $100 Amazon gift card.
Okay, we gave 2 t-shirts away as well, just random drawings, and those 2 t-shirts go to
Tabitha M. with 4 golden tickets, and Isan G. with 12 golden tickets.
Okay, congratulations, you two. Our next division is the studio drawing, and so the first one goes to the studio that had the most golden tickets, and that one is
Cindy W. with 995 golden tickets in her studio.
Of course it was. Yeah, and then we did a random drawing for other studios, and this one went to
Piano Tells S with 183 golden tickets. She also gets a 100 Amazon gift card for her studio.
Congratulations, and head on to the next challenge that's going on right now. That is boot camps. If you've never done a boot camp, it's a little different, but give it a try. It is amazing. So we'll see you at the end of the next challenge, and we'll tell you who won.
Have fun.
See y'all.
Bye.